It is game day, y'all. We're making game day chili. It's one of the very first recipes, one of the very first meals I learned how to make whenever I was learning to cook for my hungry football player. And so I decided, okay, we're gonna learn to make chili. My mom always made chili growing up. It's cozy, it's hearty, it's meaty, all the things that we all love. So we're gonna get started. I think I'm gonna change into something a little bit more appropriate. There we go. A little olive oil, and we're gonna let those get to cooking. We're gonna throw in our ground beef, gonna break it up, and once this is cooked, then you're just gonna start loading everything in. Now, depending on how many people you're feeding is how many pounds of beef you'll need. Typically, I need 2 in my house, but I can tell you once the boys get bigger, and Vivi, probably gonna end up being 3 to 4. Tomato sauce, Rotel, black beans, kidney beans. Also, I feel like some people either love beans or they don't love beans. I grew up eating a lot of beans. I think it's because it was affordable, it was cheap, and it could stretch and go a long way. So I grew up having a lot of beans, and I love beans. All right, we're gonna mix all this up. Now we're gonna add brown sugar, some ketchup. Just do what feels right. Worcestershire sauce, a little chili powder. This is the most important part. You really wanna be aggressive with the chili powder. Okay, we're gonna do a bay leaf, and you're gonna take a can of tomato sauce, you're gonna fill it with water to the top. It looks so good, and let it do its magic. All right, our rice is finished. We're gonna put the rice in first. I don't put too much, but you know what's really funny? As a kid, my mom always put rice with the chili, and I thought that's just kind of what you did, but I learned later on in life that most people don't put rice with their chili. My mom did it as a way to like make the food stretch. So now I do it as an adult, and I love it. Oh, it smells so good. Chili here. Oh, when I serve it to the kids, I like to just put like a couple of chips on the side just because I think it looks fancy and cute. Couple of chips on the side just because I think it looks fancy and cute. And now we're gonna have some. This is delicious. And the perfect game day meal for all of your guests. It's cozy, it's hearty, it's meaty, it's fabulous.